Throughout this video, we are going to take you step by step through the process of disassembling and assembling a computer, explaining each component and its function along the way. Let's go disassemble. Now, we are carefully disconnecting all the internal cables connected to the components. This includes power cables, data cables, and connections to the motherboard. It's important to be gentle and note where each cable goes for reassembly later. Hard disk drive, a type of secondary memory, and direct access storage device. Our specific model is the Western Digital Blue 160GB SOT HDD, which spins at 7,200 RPM, offering decent speed and performance for everyday computing. This drive stores data as magnetized spots on circular metal or plastic plates coated with magnetic material. It's reliable for storing operating systems, applications, and files in desktop environments. Key performance factors include seek time, latency time, and data transfer rate. The HDD provides a balance of capacity, speed, and affordability, making it a vital component for long-term data storage. Next, we have the DVD writer, an internal optical drive commonly found in desktop computers. It supports both DVD and CD reading and writing. It's compatible with various disk formats like DVD-R, DVD-RW, and CDR-RW. This drive is typically used for installing software, playing media, or even backing up important data. It connects using a SOT interface, which ensures faster data transfer compared to older IDE models. Overall, it's a durable and budget-friendly option for systems that still rely on physical disks. This floppy disk drive was one of the first removable storage devices used in computers. It used floppy disks to read and write data, typically holding just 1.4 megabytes of storage. These disks were used for saving files, transferring data, and even booting operating systems in early PCs. The drive reads data from the magnetic-coated disk inside a plastic shell. Though now outdated, it played a key role in the early development of portable digital storage. It reminds us how much storage technology has evolved over the years. Next, we have the power supply unit, or PSU. This component converts electricity from the wall into usable power for all parts of the computer. It distributes power through various cables to the motherboard, storage devices, and other components. Without it, nothing in the PC can function. This is the CPU cooler with a heat sink. It helps keep the processor from overheating by drawing heat away using metal fins and sometimes a fan. Proper cooling is essential for stable and efficient performance in any computer. Motherboard, Dell E93839. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. It connects and allows communication between all the different parts like the CPU, RAM, storage, and peripherals. The Dell E93839 motherboard supports essential components and provides slots and ports to connect everything, ensuring the system works smoothly. It acts like the backbone of the computer, linking hardware and enabling data flow. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer. It has two main parts, the Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU, which performs calculations, and the Control Unit CU that manages operations. It also uses registers to temporarily store data and instructions. The CPU fetches instructions from memory to execute programs. It's made as a single chip called a microprocessor. This Intel Core 2 Duo processor has 2 cores and 2 threads, allowing it to handle 2 tasks at once for better performance. Primary memory is the computer's main memory, located on chips mounted on the motherboard. It consists of 2 types, RAM random access memory and ROM read-only memory. RAM temporarily stores data and instructions the computer is using right now. It's volatile, meaning it loses all information when the power is off. When you turn your computer on, important files move from the hard disk to RAM for quick access by the CPU. RAM allows fast, random access to data, letting the computer read and write at the same speed. The amount of RAM is measured in megabytes or gigabytes, and its speed is measured in nanoseconds, affecting how fast your computer runs. DDR3 RAM is a common type of RAM that offers better speed and efficiency than older versions, helping your system perform smoother and multitask effectively. Let's go assemble. We hope you learned something useful about computer parts. Thank you for watching.